Hey guys, hope all is well. Hopefully, you're having a good weekend and you got some rest this weekend from the markets. Wanted to review some SPY trades I had throughout the week. On Friday, I traded the SPY a few different times on Friday, but I wanted to review my first trade here. Um, so you can see, I'll just pull up the daily on the SPY. We had a key daily level of around 410.67 ish or so. So a break below that, looking to buy some puts, a break it back above, looking to go long and buy some calls. So that was kind of the play going into the day. Had a bit of a bearish sentiment just because we were opening below that previous candle on Thursday. So here was my first trade on Friday. If you look at now, this gray area is pre-market. Once again, the green is the 21 EMA. The orange is a 9 EMA. And then I've got the TTM squeeze up, stochastic slow, and volume average. And this is on the 5-minute chart. So this is 5 minute setup here. So looking for the break below 410.28. That was pre-market low. So break below there with volume, with good volume. I was going to end up taking a trade. So there's a few things I want to look for on this. One, I wanted to look for the stochastics crossing. So you can see here the slow cross pre-market. So that meant that we were gaining momentum to the downside. Two, if you look at the TTM squeeze, we were in bearish divergence going into the day. So you can see here we had light blue buying pressure. Then we had that buying pressure subsiding with the dark blue. Went into a bit of consolidation, and then we started having buy or selling pressure coming in right before we opened. So that was um, my second one. Third one, we had great volume coming in here. And then last but not least, the 9 had crossed below the 21 on the 5 minute chart. So once we broke 410, 28, I entered here, and then I exited literally about halfway down on this bar. I am growing a small account, so I'm looking for just 10% plays. And I've got to have pretty tight stops, but that was a quick 10% return on the SPY. You can see, right, if you would have held that with a larger account or with more risk, I think you would have. This was about a 73% play in about 15 minutes. So, but like I said, this was a 10% play in less than a minute. So got in, got out, 10%, moved on to the next trade. Yeah, that's it. So if you got any questions, let me know. If you got any concerns, if you want me to review anything, please like and subscribe on on the uh, on the channel if you do like the content, and we'll go from there. One other thing, I guess, before I sign off, um, just so you got further confirmation, I like to pull up the VIX SPY NQ when I'm making these trades. So you can see here that was at 410.28 level. We had bearish divergence coming in on the SPY. Same as the Q, we had bearish divergence coming in on the Q. And then the VIX, which is the volatility index, you can see here the 9 cross at 21. So we had bullish divergence on the VIX. So typically when the VIX goes up, the markets go down. So this was a good setup, good opening level setup play on Friday. So that's it. Hopefully you guys got some rest up, study up. Make sure you get prepped for Monday, and we'll talk to you guys later.